Just like the application of the thin pita bread, one of the most misused applications of this pita bread is when it's used raw. Remember, you've got to cook this pita bread every single time so you can wrap it. As you can see now, I'm going to show you. If I wrap it, it's going to crack. To stop the pita bread from cracking, we've got to heat it up on a hot surface. I'm going to show you how to prepare it on a pan. Get your pan nice and hot. Remember to spray both sides. As with all the other pita bread, flat side first. Darker side of the two sides down onto the hot surface first. One of the common errors is the grill top or the pan is not hot enough. And what that does is it evaporates the water molecules within the pita bread and it doesn't steam them as it would if it's a searing hot surface. Look at that beautiful color. That's a perfectly timed cooked pita bread on a hot surface. Once I get it to the desired color, or wait till you see when I flip it. You're going to flip it onto a flat surface to wrap, but on the flat side facing down. Another common error is they're putting it on the opposite side and wrapping it with the flat surface on the inside. That's a no-no. Flip it, and as you see, nice colorization. Listen. Okay, if I crack open this phyllo, you can see it's fluffy and puffy and steamy on the inside. There's a little bit of difference. This is the cooked one, this is the raw one. The raw one has no flexibility, whereas the cooked one has a lot of flexibility. You know you've cooked your pita right when you've charred it correctly, not cooked it raw like this.